What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Cousin Chloe. I am here with a quick tutorial on the new Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I did a very simple look for my beginners to use the palette. I know everybody's talking about everybody needs to get this palette. Well, to make it easy for those of you that bought it for the culture, we did a simple tutorial. So if you want to see how I did this look, you already know what to do. Just keep watching. Oh, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Take that concealer and you want to line your brow to clean it up. And drag the rest down. Grab your Morphe M335 and all you're doing is just buffing that out and blending out the edges. Make sure you have a nice, clean, smooth base. That should do it. Take your Sigma E40 fluffy blending brush and you're going to start in your transition area right above your crease, making small circles and start building your transition color. Back and forward motions is what you'll be doing. Just like such. Now we're going to take credit on a smaller blending brush called the Morphe M506. Looks like that. And we're only going to place it right here in this outer area of the eye. And we're just barely tapping. And we're going to build it right here in this outer corner using short strokes and back and forward motions, just concentrated in the outer area of the eye. And we're going to build up that credit more ways than one. And once you've got a nice amount of it on there, then you want to slowly just drag your brush towards the center of the eye about halfway. And we're barely touching the skin. And you're just slightly below where you put your pink. Like such. And you can even make small circles in that area to make sure it's blended out. But all you're doing is just dragging it a little bit to the center of the eye. The Morphe R42 brush, looks like such. That's how it looks. And then we're going to put a little zam. And we're going to start in the middle of the eye and just drag it towards the inner eye. And we're keeping it low on the lid. See that? And all we're doing is dragging. And then slowly create a little arch. I haven't added any more. And connect with credit till you've almost got a little gradient. And we're barely dragging. Very soft, very gentle. You see? Let's do it with the other eye. Get you a nice amount of product on there. As you can see, got a little fallout. That's a-okay. Get you a nice amount. Again, start in the center of the eye and drag towards the credit and then move your brush forward. Then once you've got it there, then start creating your arch to connect it with credit. I might need a little bit more for this eye, just a little bit more. Same process. And we're just dragging to meet credit. Got it? Can y'all see? And here you have a very simple 3-step eyeshadow look with the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Feel free to add yourself some liner, a wing, some lashes, and you can take it from there. I just got you started.